case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 1991 case of Liberty Homes Inc. v. Epperson led to an Alabama Supreme Court decision centering on a dispute over a custom-built mobile home. What began as a promise of a dream home turned into a nightmare for the Eppersons, as their newly constructed abode was plagued with recurring problems from the get-go. With persistent electrical issues, troubling structural inaccuracies, alongside a series of ineffective repair attempts, the Eppersons found themselves living with a daily fear of potential electric shocks. This unfavorable situation prompted the Eppersons to file a lawsuit against Liberty Homes Inc., alleging breach of express and implied warranties and seeking damages under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Federal Trade Commission Improvement Act. The jury found in favor of the Eppersons, awarding them $194,174.70 and solidifying Liberty's accountability for the defects in the mobile home. Despite their failed request for a retrial, Liberty Homes decided to throw their hat into the ring once more, appealing the decision. However, the court took a stand, reinforcing the initial decision and further affirming that the Eppersons had every right to recover damages under an express warranty and implied warranty theory of liability. The court ruled that the home was not safely built to carry electrical current, amounting to a clear breach of contract. Moreover, due to the close relationship between the contractual duty and the mental concern it brought about, the court also concurred that the Eppersons could claim damages for mental anguish, making Liberty Homes pay not only for the tangible damages, but also for the psychological distress they had unwillingly inflicted. The saga ended with the affirmation of the jury's verdict, upholding the rule that it carries a presumption of correctness, and the court concluded that no error was made at the trial level. While the notion of Liberty's agent, Harlan Trailer Sales, failing the Eppersons was broached by the court, the final message was clear. Liberty Homes was to be held accountable for their contractual breaches.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.